Hey everyone, are you missing out on a simple way to stay focused at work? If notifications are constantly distracting you or bombarding your phone, I'm going to show you how to fix it using a focus mode or a work mode. So scroll down from your control center and click this option called focus. Then you will see this bunch of options called do not disturb, personal, work and sleep. So I'm going to choose work. So click on work, then click on this three dots, then click on this setting. So that way now you can change the people instead of getting notification from all the people on your phone. So you can add a particular or specific people, so that way you can only get a notification or call from them. So in my case, I'm adding my boss, then clicking on OK button. Once I click on, I will get a call from boss. So then you can choose a particular apps you want to choose a notification. For example, I'm choosing this option called Yahoo Mail. So I'm getting a constantly notification from Yahoo Mail if anything happens. So that way I can be a focus. Then also you can turn this toggle on, time sensitivity notification. You can turn it on. Then you basically choose the time. So you can add the schedule and day, which time you want to choose. So I already choose from 9 to 5 p.m. and you can choose a day from, for example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's a working day for me 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So I choose that day, then click OK. So now whenever you turn on this work mode, what it does, it will only trigger a notification from your boss or the Yahoo Mail. So that way you can be strategic or laser sharp focus. So that way it automatically disable after 5 p.m. Then it will automatically show you all the notification you have so far. Thank you for watching. Please share with your family or friend who have trouble getting focus or getting things done. And same thing with the sleep. So click on sleep, then click on this three dots. You can click on setting, then you can choose the people you want to get a call from and choose the apps you want to allow the notification while you're asleep. Then you can also click on next schedule. Then you can also set the schedule for your sleep, then wake up time. That way do not disturb will disable after 7 p.m. so you can get the calls in the morning. And it also gives you a wind down warning. You can like change it to 15 minutes, 1 hour. So basically that way you can be very sharp while you are going to sleep. It gives you a 15-minute wind down warning so you can prepare for your sleep. So that way you can get some good sleep. And anything like you can share with your family or friend if you think they are using phone at night to just check the notification. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe this video if you find this useful. Thank you.